went to the lady's house who was babysitting them when they're little, and they had a loaner crate that they all fit in from the Elkhorn Slough Foundation. She works at the foundation. Elkhorn Slough is surrounded by ranches and farms, and a lot of farm workers and poor people, and they know that the Elkhorn Slough Foundation, which is right in the center of the upper slough, is a good place to dump animals because they'll be cared for. And they get several a month, many sometimes a month. And they just either dump them at the gate or leave them alone, or might bring them in a box, or usually just dump them. And so they have to deal with them. So they've taken many to the shelter, and they try to find homes for them. And in this case, one of the workers raised them up from babies, so till I got them at 7 weeks. So the first one there is Simba, one of the females. She's the one that got the snake, so she's snake bit Simba. And the next one over is Sable. She's kind of a smooth coat and very soft coat, and she's another of the females. And he's tea-gray because of his stripes on his side. And he's one of the best hunters. He's often gone off by himself and hunts alone. His name is Rust-Oleum, Rusty. Oedipus, because he was the last one to nurse. So the black one is tortoiseshell, is Kitty Mama. She was trapped wild in Elkhorn Slough, and 4 days after she was trapped, she gave birth to 7 kittens. And I've been having a bid in for cats for some time, and I wanted a mama and kittens so that they would have a mama to take care of them while they got used to being here. I wasn't ready for them at first, but I had the place in there and I could close them in that inner sanctum that I'll show you in a bit. It's about 6 by 5, and it used to be our chicken coop and our duck coop. They just hung out in there, and I'd go out and check on them. They'd all be in a big pile on the pillow and waiting and living in there until I felt they were secure. And and they got more and more used to being in there. I walk every morning, and I called them one day, and they all came with me. He just barely fits. Oh, he's in.